Do you know that there's a new platform that you can actually upload your videos and pictures and get paid, just like your Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and any other platform, social media platform that you know of? Well, the difference between somebody that does not know and somebody that knows is information. Yes, so that is why I'm bringing this information to you free of charge. Yes, I know some of you are wondering, has she withdrawn before? How did they withdraw? Don't worry, I'm going to answer all these your questions in course of this video. Yeah, so if this is your first time of coming across my video, hello, my name is Grace and you're welcome to Grow with Grace Amas. What we do is to talk about money making platforms and how to grow our YouTube channel. So if this is close to anything you want to be seeing on your screen, hit on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon so that anytime I post a video, you'll be the first to get information that I've posted the video. So without wasting time, let me tell you more about this platform. Now, all you need to do immediately you register, I'm going to be dropping my link at the comment section or at the description box area. All you need to do is to hit on the link. It will take you to Google Play Store. All you need to do is to download the app. All right, don't do anything from the site. Go ahead and download the app and then get verified. You must get verified though, don't forget. After you're verified on the platform, go ahead and join communities. All right, you have to join communities so that you'll be able to post on those communities, because anything you post, my dear, you are getting paid, just like your Facebook, Instagram, and any other platform that you know of. All right, so it is very sweet. It's very easy for you also to operate on this platform. Now let's talk about the question, have I been paid? The truth is that I haven't been paid. This is a new platform I came across with, and then I was like, let me just come and share it with my community people. I don't want to hear that. Why did you not come and tell us this platform since you've withdrawn and then now it's not paying again? I don't want to hear all those things. I said, let me just rush here. Let me just run. Let me just run here and then come and give you guys this new update so that we can catch up together at once. You know that these things does not last forever, allegedly. So what are you waiting for? Hit on the link at the comment section or at the description area, all right, and then download this app and then let's start making money. So without wasting your time, let me take you to the app and share with you how you can register successfully on this platform. It's very easy, just simple steps for us to follow and you're done with the registration process. All right, so when you register, join communities and then you start uploading your write-ups and then your videos and everything you need to upload and then start getting paid. And the good thing about this platform is that you are getting paid every single week. Yes, every Friday you can make withdrawal from this platform and you're good to go. All right, so guys, let's go and enjoy this platform. Let me go and share with you how this platform works, guys. Let's go. So guys, when you click on the link here, it will take you to this place that you're seeing like this. So all you need to do is to fill in all these details, okay? Your first name, your last name, your email address, and your phone number. So that is so simple. All right, once you are done with that process, after you done registering, putting on your information, they are going to send you a verification email. So you have to go to your email and then copy the code and come back and come and input it. So after inputting it, they're going to take you to this place that you're seeing, like, so you have to put in all your informations here. After you are done putting in your password and everything at the other side, when you are done, you click on next and they are going to take you to this place. So all you need to do is to fill in this place as well, which include your username and then everything. You can choose from these ones that they have given you, but me, I'm going to select the one that I want to use for myself. So you select the one that you want to use for yourself, okay? So I'm going to input my username. After you're done with that process, they're going to ask you your interest. So you tell them what your interest is all about. All right. So after you're done with all this process, you're going to click on complete and sign up. Complete sign up, okay? So once you are done with that, you can actually download the app, okay? And then once you are done with everything, once you are done with registration, they are going to ask you to re-log in again, all right? So this is the platform and I'm going to share with you how you can do everything on this platform.